Chalk Couture, Chalk Couture. Oh yeah, Chalk Couture, Chalk Couture. Oh yeah, that's right. It's Chalk Couture time. I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity. Let's get chalking. All right, we have our transfer, our box surface, our ink, green and yellow, multi-tools, squeegees, a cup of water, and we have a washcloth for fuzzing. Now, let's begin to prepare our ink. We're going to take a multi-tool and stir it up just to make sure that we have the correct consistency. I'm going to do the same thing with our green, and we're going to get ready to prepare our transfer. Now, what we need to do is fluff up our transfer so that when we make sure that we put it on our surface and pull up, it doesn't stretch. So we're going to fluff this transfer about 5 times. That way we know we get enough fluff on the back of our transfer so that when we pull it up, it can come up smoothly. So there we go, fluffing it up, preparing it for our surface. These transfers are sticky when you use them the first time. All right, next we're going to place it into the middle of the box. And if you don't get it quite like you want it, it's okay. It can easily pull up and you can replace it to where you need it to go. Once you have it where it needs to be, the perfect place, smooth it out with your squeegee to remove all air bubbles that are present. Next, you're ready to put the ink down. So the words you've and this, we're going to put that in yellow. Spreading it all out, a little goes a long way, but we want to make sure that we're careful so that the word got is not yellow. That is going to be green. So let's go ahead and put down the green on the word got. A little goes a long way. Once we're done, we're going to pick up a squeegee and begin to smooth out the ink. Smoothing out the ink, taking our time not to mix the colors. Once we do that, the excess ink can go right back into the jar. Next, we're moving on to the green. Same steps, smoothing it out, and the excess will go into the jar. Remember, a little definitely goes a long way. I'm so excited. Are you ready for the reveal? All right. 1, 2, 3. You've got this. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.